2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, tow hitch, power sunroof, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, stability control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, four-wheel drive. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.